white sweater, one male and one
wow.
Yeah, pretty much. There are a couple of video cameras and some cameras. One of the kids ran right up to the top of the probably about, I don't know, foot and a half off the train, shooting videos of him while he was standing up. I mean, Jesus. In any type of way. I said because this refuses to be normal in any way. Yeah, I've never seen Jesus on earth, but I have now.
Oh, you know, thanks for a lot of things.
Yes, man.
Hope I get the whole thing, guys. It's a good, interesting catch so far. They're reporting a trespasser on 70-something. I thought they were going to report me. I was seeing what the heck he's carrying. Hopefully not. They were debating about this train, where it needs to go. It's going to be parking in the side, of course. I'm hoping I could get the rest of it and everything else. I'm not the local trespasser. I just know my distance and everything around trains. This is for like my stress, guys. I do have a lot of stress and it's been helping me so far. There's some coal trains right there. That's good. Heard they're gonna be like getting rid of coal trains soon. So on manifest freight trains, it's gonna be super rare. I'm hoping I get the rest, guys, because it's getting interesting right here. We got a lot coming, so I gotta hustle to the house, put on some block pants, and probably get some uploading to here done. I can get more done. So here comes the end. I'm gonna show you guys if it does cut off before the end. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Some rail ties, cements. It's pretty interesting. I'm not doing anything illegal. This is from my point of view, guys, and yours too. There's a southbound train coming, so I gotta hustle when this train comes by. Got a lot of length, so I gotta upload this one too. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for the next trains. Peace.